Hey guys, how to convert pound sterling to USDT on Kraken app. So first of all, hit trade at the bottom right and press convert. And you can see already I switched or transferred some funds to the pound, right? So I can now switch from pounds to crypto or USDT. So if you have cash already set on the side, depending on your currency, US dollar or pounds in this video, or in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the amount, right, from pounds and select, of course, USDT. You're gonna see it right here, right, as a crypto. Let's hit continue and confirm if you agree to the Kraken fees. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.